capture it? Yeah. Did you capture it? Yes. Yes. Josiah is one of my students. So today we are here to show you guys tape how to take measurements. Yes. And here we are about to take measurement for kaftan. Measurement for kaftan. Measurement for what I'm putting on, just like this, something simple like this. Hello guys, can you see it? Something simple like this, something unique, just like this. Yes. So before we start, we are starting. The first thing to consider here is our shoulder. Our shoulder is, you need to hold the tape like this. Maybe subsequent time I will show you how to take measurements, how to take suit measurements. But for now, you are taking measurements for kaftan. But let me just give you a little simple tips. If you are taking measurement for suits, you need to locate the bone on the shoulder. You need to locate the bone on the shoulder like this. Just like it. But here we are taking kaftan, so we are taking our tape from here to this end. Our shoulder here is 18.5. You need to allow your tape to fall small, just like this. So our shoulder is 18.5. Then the next thing to consider is our sleeve. And our sleeve for this outfit I'm putting on is 3/4. So we are taking it like this and like this. You need to hold it here. If you're holding it here, you will get it right. So our sleeve length for 3/4 here is 17. But you can ask your clients. Some people, they usually like it shorter than that. But here we are making it 17, just like this. Then if you want to take long sleeve, you can still take long sleeve, just like this. To get your long sleeve, you need to bring your tape down to this bone here, around the wrist. This is called, what is it called? The wrist bone here. Yes. And then they call it ankle. 1, 2. So we get 24.5. So, you need to put the tape again like this. Don't put it like this. Your tape should turn to the back. Small, just small, a little. Then you bring it down. If it's a lady, you need to allow the tape to follow her bust or the breast side. Then you hold it just like this and bring it down again, just like this to get your length. You ask the client you are sewing clothes for to tell you where he will like it. It is going to be longer than this, but we are stopping here. If it's going to be a long kaftan, you bring it down. Some kaftans are mostly around the knee region. You can still bring it here. Thank you very much. Then the next thing to consider is our bust measurement. These days, on time, people don't wear too much tight clothes. So, but it is very, very important for you to ask your clients if it's okay. To get your bust, you need to put it like this. You can do it tight like this first. Then you release your tape gradually. Then you ask your client in question, the client you're making dress for, you ask him where did he want it or how did he want it. Is it going to be tight or free? Mostly we don't do too much tight clothes this day, so I think this one is free. If he has tummy, you bring your tape to the tummy region and you measure it also. But for this young man here, this our cute young guy here, he doesn't have tummy like that, so we are reducing our tape and you can still leave it straight the way he wants it. Thank you very much. So the next thing to consider, don't like this. The next thing to consider is our biceps. If you want to take your biceps, hold on, you take it like this. You ask the person to fold his arm. So fold your arms. You ask him to fold his arms. Then you release your tape to this level. It should be free on him. And the next thing to consider is our sleeve. We'll measure our sleeve just like this. If you want it free, just like that I'm putting on, you can still ask him where the heel wants it, just like this. So the next thing to consider is our neck. You need to take the neck measurements so that you not sew kaftan that is tight. And to get your neck measurements, you don't need to put the tape very tight. Just put it free. It is when you are making a turtleneck that you are permitted to do it tight, but and still free at the same time. You have the person. If it's too tight, it will tight the person. So you need to release it. Should be free on him. So this is how to get your neck measurements. So that is the end of how to take kaftan's measurements. Maybe subsequent time we'll be dropping video on how to take your suit measurements and how to take a packet shirt. But with this, you can still take your packet shirt measurements. For packet shirts, the length is not that long. Then subsequent time we'll be dropping video on how to take your trouser measurements. Thank you very much. God bless us. Of course, then